Hey guys, Pine Rebels here, and today I'm going to be telling you how to do the relic farming for both Lith, Mesa, Neo and Axi Relics. There are locations on each map which tell you where to go. I'm going to show you the locations that I usually farm these relics on. So let's start off with where you find Liths. Now this is a defense mission on Mars. It's called Spear, and what you do on it is it's a defense mission, so basically you just kill enemies coming towards you, and you got to try and make sure this little cryopod thing doesn't die. So you just fight off the enemies. You can find a ton of Liths here to get a ton of different primes, but some are vaulted, so if you're trying to look for them, you can't. Vaulted relics, basic relics, have been put in this thing called the vault, and you can't unlock them, and this rotates a lot in the year. If you don't know what a relic is, it's a little item thing you can get, and it's sort of like if you go in these missions called void fissures and collect enough reactant to crack it open, you will be able to like get rewards from inside of it. Now that can be anywhere from like a blueprint to a part of a gun. So as you can see here, this is me getting 2 of the relics. Okay, so next up we have the Mesa Relic. Now Mesos are, I think, one of the easier defense missions to do. So basically on Jupiter there's a mission called Io, which is another defense mission, and in my opinion it's a bit easier because you can just run Ember World on Fire, and that's like 15 rounds done in like 5 minutes, or 5 minutes, about 15 minutes. But it's really good. So all you got to do is you got to go to Jupiter. You have to unlock it first, obviously. Then you go to Io. And once you're in, you make your way down to the cryopod, and then you just battle it out. So as you can see here, you can get anything from, I think it's Mesos on the first 2 rounds and then Neo on the third, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so after Mesos we have Neo Relics. Now Neo Relics are sort of rarer and hard to get because you have to progress quite far on in the story. But I found one which is like a farm for it, which is quite early on, which is on Uranus or Uranus. I don't know how to say it, but you go on there and there's a defense mission. I know there's a lot of defenses in this tutorial, but there's a defense mission called Stefano, and this is very good for Neos. You almost get them every time, like every rotation. It's hard-ish because you got harder Grenier, but you just run Smite Grenier and some decent damage and elemental mods, and you should be good to go. Or just run like a high health Rhino or like Frost or something like that. I don't know. Use whatever you want really, but you also have a chance, I think, on the 3rd or 4th rotation of getting a Axi Relic. And now I actually, because I'm doing the story mode with my friend and he barely plays, I haven't got that far on in the story to reach Herecan, which is the one that I'll tell you about later for Axi. But so I farm my Axis also off of this mission, where you get it every 3rd rotation. So I just get a bunch of people, like 4 people, and we just defend it till the 3rd rotation, get the Axi, leave, and rinse and repeat. And that seems to work quite well, as long as people don't leave after the 2nd rotation, which is sometimes really annoying. Just try to get a team together to do it, and it'll be easy. Try to get different Warframes as well, get some primes in. Okay, so last but not least, we have Axi Relics. Now these are the hardest relics to get because you find them at the latest stage. This is like Pluto onwards, unless from like Uranus and Neptune you can find them in like defense and missions like that, from like usually the third rotation. But the mission that I'm thinking about, which is probably the best, I've played it before on my other account that I used to have. I lost that one ages ago though. But it's it's called Herecan. It's on Pluto, so you have to go through Uranus, you have to go through Neptune, and then you're there. And it's quite far on in the Pluto tree as well. But it's a extraction mission, so you'll go along and put down extractors, feed it power cells until it blows up and gives you stuff, and you can get farm Axi Relics from that. I can't show you any footage of it as I've said, I haven't unlocked it. So yeah, I've hoped you've liked the video, guys. If you've liked it, please like, rate, comment and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell just to keep you notified of the future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.